Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to decorate your cakes with beautiful, realistic sugar flowers. I will guide you step by step to make stunning fondant roses using simple tools you already have at home. No special equipment needed. Start by rolling out your sugar fondant. Aim for about 1 millimeter in thickness, not too thick, not too thin. This helps your petals stay delicate but hold their shape beautifully. Now use a 4 centimeters round cutter to cut out your petals. You'll need about 15 circles per flower. These will form the delicate layers of your rose. Next, grab a smaller round cutter, about 3 centimeters. Grab one piece of fondant and gently fold it over the edge of the metal ring just halfway. Be gentle here or the ring might cut right through the petal. Now lightly wet the folded edge with a brush. Only dampen half the edge. This helps the next petal stick in place without using too much moisture. Place and fold a second piece of petal overlapping the wet edge. Gently press to secure it. Now continue adding petals one by one, making sure each new petal slightly overlaps the previous one. Repeat this until you've added a total of 5 petals to complete the first round. For the second round, again, lightly wet the edge of the last petal. Take another piece and continue overlapping, just like before. Add 5 more petals in total to complete this round. With 2 rounds completed, turn the metal ring around and take a look at your rose so far. It's starting to take shape beautifully. Isn't it starting to look like a real rose already? Now complete the third round by adding another 5 petals. Keep overlapping as before to build out the outer layer of the rose. As you can see, after the third round, the center of the ring is now completely covered. That's how you know your rose is full and nicely shaped. Now turn it around and gently remove the metal ring. Take your time. The rose is delicate and you don't want to squish any of the petals. There you go, you've just completed your own fondant flower. Isn't it beautiful? Place the finished flower on a metal ring or cupcake mold to help it hold its shape while it dries. Here's a yellow one I just finished. Isn't it lovely? You can also finish your flower after just 2 rounds. That's a total of 10 fondant petals for a simpler, smaller rose like this one. It's perfect for cupcakes or daintier decorations. If you want to make your fondant rose extra special, try mixing 2 colors. Here's how to do it. First, grate some fondant in any color you like. Here I'm using pink. Spread out the grated fondant on your work surface. Try to keep the pieces evenly scattered. Next, use a different color of fondant. Here I'm using white. Place it over the grated fondant. Start rolling it out to about 1 millimeter in thickness. Turn it over and you can already see the pattern starting to show. Isn't that pretty? Roll it once more to firmly blend the 2 colors in place. This also helps smooth out the surface and bring the pattern together. Cut out 15 or 10 pieces of petals depending on the size of flower you want to make. Just like before, stick the fondant petals together. Make sure the patterned side is facing down so it shows when you flip the flower over. Gently remove the metal ring and reveal your finished 2-tone flower. There you have it. A beautiful 2-tone fondant flower with a subtle pattern, perfect for adding a special touch to your cakes. You can also shape the edge of each petal slightly to give your flower a more natural, lifelike look. Just a gentle pinch or curve makes a big difference, and that's it. Now you know how to make gorgeous fondant roses in any color, even with a beautiful 2-tone finish. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more creative and easy to follow cake decorating ideas. I'd love to see your flower creations, so tag me if you share them online. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.